Well, we had a beautiful start to our morning today. Not a cloud in the sky. We're currently sitting at 81 degrees. That sun is shining out there with those cobalt blue skies. A little bit of a breeze out there making you feel a little warm. But 81 degrees, like I said, in Starkville. We're looking at 78 over in Ackerman. Mostly those high 70s and low 80s across the area. Right now, we're quiet across the radar as well. No clouds to be seen up here. It's a very beautiful day in Mississippi, and for the rest of the day we can expect those mid 80s by noon, and by 3 p.m. we're going to be up in those high 80s. Lots of sunshine is going to be with us. We'll start dipping back down to those mid 80s as we move into the nighttime hours around dinner time, and we'll drop down even lower for our low tonight. 62 degrees will be our low. Mostly clear outside. It's going to feel like fall out there. You might need a light jacket as you're heading out the door tonight. And tomorrow we're looking at beautiful blue skies again on Tuesday. Wednesday is when our rain chances start to come into play just a little bit. And on Thursday again, we'll have more storms and showers that day. It's going to be remnants of Tropical Storm Francine coming through, and again on Friday, but we're looking clear for the weekend ahead. So let's take a look at Tropical Storm Francine and its possible track. So we're looking at it making landfall possibly in Louisiana on Wednesday, and that starts pushing up through Starkville through midweek and into the late week on Thursday. We'll start seeing those effects through the rainfall. So if we look at Tuesday, we're just seeing lots of cloud cover right here around 6 p.m. on Tuesday, and that starts moving, that rain starts pushing up into our area by 8 a.m. on Wednesday. So we'll start seeing those impacts by midweek, and by that afternoon we're looking at heavier rainfall in some areas around Starkville. Now, this is a long-range model, so this could vary as the storm track changes, but we're looking at lots of rain on Thursday as well. You can see higher places of impacts from the storm, and that's going to stay with us as we move through Thursday night and start clearing out by Friday. We'll just be left with some cloud coverage by Friday afternoon. So it's going to leave us with a lot of rain. 3 inches here in Starkville. We're looking at 2.5 inches to 3 inches all across northeast Mississippi right now. So a lot of rainfall. That's going to help our drought a lot. We're looking at an extreme risk over in Coffeyville and parts of Calhoun City. So this rain throughout the week should help us out a lot. We're looking in those upper 80s for the beginning of the week, and as we move off into midweek, we're going to be in those low to mid 80s, so it should feel really nice outside, and those rain impacts will impact us on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and then we're looking ahead to a beautiful weekend.